Imagine opening your phone to find a digital closet that knows your style. Sounds futuristic, right? Google Photos just made it real. Their brand new AI feature turns your photo library into a smart wardrobe, inspired by the iconic closet in Clueless. Here's the magic. AI scans your snapshots, identifies each piece of clothing, and neatly sorts them into categories. Your favorite jacket, bold shoes, and every shirt you love are now at your fingertips virtually. Mix and match outfits right on the app, create stylish mood boards, or even try on looks without a mirror. Morning outfit decisions are effortless, and you can experiment with your wardrobe in new ways. Want to see how your blue jeans work with that vintage tee? Just tap and swap. Planning a trip or prepping for an event? Visualize and save your best looks ahead of time. Rolling out on Android this summer, iOS is next. It's about creativity, confidence, and making AI work for your daily life. Love discovering smart tech that amps up your lifestyle? Hit like and subscribe to API Tech Tips for more innovations that blend AI and style. Thanks for tuning in. Get ready for more AI and style innovations.